Guys, naradi ay yung yung bagong update. Yung the fishing update. Hala. Sige, tara. Let's go play. Upgrade your fishing. Hello. Lugay niya. Huwag na lang tayo dun. Today I'm so excited. Excited lagi ko, guys. Excited.
That was a seagull. You know what that means, honey?
Let's go see. I know no stew. Pero we don't need a stew. Musog ka, kuya.
Ay, naabot na gyud ang maximum limit.
Let's go, guys. Medyo nawala yung boses ko, guys. From yesterday. Sa akin to.
So cute. Hello.
Let's go. I'm gonna attack this so that I can at least get a bunny food. Kainin ko na lang. Kainin ko na lang, guys. Kainin ko lang, guys. Ba't talaga, guys? Wala talaga. Punta tayo dun sa house. May isa pang house. Oh my gosh. Guys, tara ko. Let's go bring it. Saan di ay yung wolf?
Hala, ang bata.
Yeah, we did.
Huh?
We did. Didn't realize.
Kasi kasa kayo po sa realize. Panood mo na.
Okay, guys. We need to go to the other house. Uy. That's the house. There's blue flags. Wait, that's fishing. Let's see if I can actually fish in the game. Oh my god. There's freaking fish. Oh my gosh, guys. No way, there's fish. There's fishing rod. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm gonna go fetch one. So sad. Hello?
Hello, where are you? My dolphin.
Hello?
Dolphin.
I can't do anything with this thing. It's so annoying.
Ayan o.
What is that?
Dolphin. Isave niya yung bata.
There's nothing good in this game, guys. Sorry, I'm sorry for saying that. But I have an old rod. Guys, this is the most this thing, guys. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I can't. Bro, I really wanna get a bunny foot so that I could get my like yes. Uy. Kita look he's scary though.
Hello.
Guys. Ma'am. Haha. Okay, guys. So I low-key got it. See. Fire. Trigger fire. We don't have a lot of scrap, but that's fine. Please look wrongly. Okay, look good. Looks like guys. I don't know what's been up with my voice lately, but it low-key been a little lately. So it's been like that lately, but I don't think it's gonna be a problem. That was nothing. We all at least I got at least I got some wood. Food. Oh my gosh.
Ayan, ang daming sea lion na oh. Ay, ang daming seal na ano. Seabird.
Probably taking this. So yeah.
Ayan ako, tingnan mo, ang dami.
What? Ano ma?
Yung daming ibon. Kaya
Okay.
nagtulog siya ng mga fish na pinagdadalan. So kaya nakikita sila ng tao.
Tapos?
Ayan, nasi-save na sila.
Okay. I thought you watched this already.
No, hindi pa.
You did. We watched this so many times. Mom, we already watched Nowhere so many times.